Hello guys, good morning. Ang ating breakfast for today, carrots at cucumber. Ayan, tapos lagyan natin ng dressing na yogurt. Ayan guys. Kahapon, carrots and labanus. Ngayon naman siya ay carrots at ayan ang dressing guys, na yogurt dressing. So ayan na guys, ang ating cucumber with carrots at yogurt ang dressing. So ito guys. Sarap. Masarap guys. Thank you for watching.